That's a car right there. There's no light outside. I still have a little power, luckily. Thanks to LIPA, I'm still supported. There's a parking lot. It's flooded. So yeah, this is Hurricane Sandy. Everything is flooded. This is Rockaway Beach. Right here, we have 84th Street. It's flooded. You can't see because there's no light. Cars trying to get through. There's no possible way. Parking lot is on a hill. It's at the bottom of it. Sherwood Parkway is flooded. The boardwalk lights are all down. And those blinking lights are the traffic lights, all that's left. Thank you for watching.